Hey guys, it's Rob here. Today I'm going to show you how to add effects to a text in Canva. So we've gone ahead and made a document and I've added a header and I've entered it as Rob's PC tutorials. So now what you want to do is select the text, and if we come up to the top and hit effects, over here on the left we're given a bunch of different options. So for example, neon, which adds a glow effect. This works better if you have a different color, so for example red. And then we might also have a black background like this. So now you get a very cool neon type effect. If we go back to the effects on the text, you can adjust the intensity. So if we lower it, the glow effect will be less. And if we increase it, it will be more intense. You can also add a background as an effect like this to make the text more readable. And edit all of the options here, transparency like this, make the spread smaller. So there you go, this is a super simple tutorial. I'd recommend just playing around with this and getting to... So there you go guys, this is a super simple tutorial. I'd recommend, as with most things, the best way to learn is just to play around and find what you like and what works for you and your project. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you again very soon.